Hi, it's Nerin here. I just wanted to quickly record this morning. I've just dropped my little girl off at daycare and I'm on my way back to the home office. I've got a ton of work to do and I'm a bit stressed out. But at the moment that's all the more reason to stop and take a little breather. When you get stressed out, and if you're like me, you might not even realise how stressed out you are until you start getting I start getting physical symptoms like lovely cold sores, and I've got this rash around my eyes at the moment I'm not going to show you, and I get headaches, I start getting colds and things like that. But even if you don't get those physical symptoms, that stuff's still going on inside your body, inside your head. So you need to stop and take breaks, and I'm talking about this today because sometimes you need to teach others what you need to learn. So I've stopped here. I'll see if I can show you a beautiful spot. My local little beach. I just thought I'd talk about a couple of ways that I try and relieve stress, and one of them is coming somewhere like this and just taking it in and taking a deep breath and trying to slow down a bit. So I tend to, when I get busy and I've got lots on, I'm like, got to get it all done and I need to keep everybody happy and get it all done well. It's my little perfectionism coming out. But yeah, how can you when you don't have a great deal of time, how can you stop and relax a little bit and de-stress? Stop from getting to the point where you headaches and just burnt out. So yeah, stopping and looking, getting outside in the sun, and they reckon just getting outside in the sunshine is really good for you because we don't do it enough. Sometimes I just, even in my office inside, I'll stop and just have a big stretch, because you get all tight and tense. That's the other physical symptom. You get sore neck and get all tight and tense. So have a big stretch, take some big deep breaths, and maybe make a cup of tea. My friend / mentor put me onto this tea. It's called Tulsi, or holy basil, and it's actually meant to be sort of good for stress, but it's really yummy as well. It's like a green tea. You just put the tiniest bit of sweetener in it, and it's just really nice to sip on while you either take a break, or I tend to keep working while I'm drinking it. You could do short little meditation, or just a few deep breaths. It's sometimes all you need to just stop, stretch, take a break, look away from the screen, look outside, and then you can get back to it with a bit more of a fresh head. So I'm going to get back to it now because I've got a lot to do. And I'll see you next time.